Smart TVs are getting worse every year. Sounds crazy, right? But stay with me for the next 10 seconds because this might completely change how you look at your television. 10 years ago, a TV was simple. You turned it on, changed channels, and it just worked. Today's smart TVs are slower, more complicated, and somehow less smart. First problem: forced software updates. Every year, manufacturers push heavy updates that your TV hardware cannot handle. Old processors, limited random access memory, and weak storage struggle to run new software. This is why menus lag, apps freeze, and boot time increases. Second problem: built-in ads. Many smart TVs now show ads on the home screen. Even premium models are not safe. These ads consume background resources, slow down performance, and track your usage data. Forums and user reviews consistently complain about TVs feeling slower after ads were introduced. Third problem: privacy issues. Smart TVs listen, not always through microphones, but through usage behavior. What you watch, how long you watch, which app you open. This data is sent through Wi-Fi, often on 2.4 gigahertz networks, to company servers. This constant background communication affects speed and raises privacy concerns. Fourth problem: app support decay. Streaming apps are optimized for phones and new TVs, not older ones. After 2 or 3 years, apps receive fewer updates. Eventually, apps become buggy or stop working entirely. Now the real question: what are the real solutions? Solution 1. Stop using built-in smart features. Buy an external streaming device. These devices have better processors, more frequent updates, and smoother performance. Solution 2. Disable unnecessary settings. Go to Settings, then go to System, then Privacy, then disable ad personalization. Go to Settings, then Network, then turn off auto content recognition. Solution 3. Limit background apps. Go to Settings, then Apps, then close or uninstall unused apps. Solution 4. Use stable internet. Prefer 5 GHz Wi-Fi if available. Avoid crowded 2.4 GHz channels. Final truth: smart TVs are not getting worse by accident. They are designed to be replaced, not repaired. Use them as displays, not as computers. This is Tech Vibes. If this helped you, you already know what to do.